Now we are moving on our next meal, which is ezme. These are mainly served in the Turkish restaurant with the bread in the beginning. So while you are waiting for your main order, and it's just very easy and delicious and goes well very well with the kebabs. We have all tomatoes, red pepper and green pepper. They all chopped and we put one garlic.
Çok ezilmemesi lazım da o yüzden. Çok ezilmemesi lazım.
So should not be super small. So we make sure we are the same, the right size.
Now we have this ready. Ezme?
Ezme.
And this is really like a Turkish salsa that's usually served at the beginning of a meal in most Turkish restaurants, and it would be served with bread.
Yes.
And you have tomatoes in it, you have peppers in it, parsley, and garlic. Then you want to also chop your parsley and onion, which you will add to the tomato and pepper mixture. Now we're adding some red pepper paste.
Yes.
A heaping tablespoon.
Yes. One.
1.5 heaping tablespoons of red pepper paste. And to this we're going to also add some sumac. And sumac usually adds a tart or sour flavor. Also adding about a tablespoon of smoked paprika.
Koyacağız. Koyacağız.
To this we're adding pomegranate syrup or molasses. It adds a nice tart sour flavor.
Hocam buğday ekledin mi?
We're adding olive oil. Salt. Fresh lemon juice to the ezme.